Hi everyone. Okay, let's continue with our quadratic equation. Now we're going to find the solutions by using square root method. And this is a very fast method when it can apply, okay? And it leads to a general method for solving all quadratic equations. I will talk about it later, okay, in the last two examples. So first, let's see the square root. Okay, when we have x squared minus 9 equals 0, that means we have x squared equals to 9. So, what number squared is 9? That's not a tricky question, okay, but it could be tricky. Remember, when you have a negative number and you get square it, you get a positive number. So x basically has two possibilities. One is positive, one is negative. So we get positive and negative square root 9, which is positive and negative 3. Right? Okay, so then let's look at this. Okay, a little bit more complicated, but not quite. Okay, 2x squared minus 3 equals to 0. So we have 2x squared equals to 3 when we add 3 on both sides of this equation. And x squared equals to 3 over 2. Okay, because we divide by 2 both sides of the equation. Once again, when you have something, okay, squared equal to 3 to a number, okay, you basically get two solutions. One's positive, one is negative. So we have positive and negative square root 3 over 2. Or if you want to simplify more, you can have positive negative square root 6 over 2. Okay, you just times square root 2 in the denominator and numerator. Then you basically rationalize. You don't have the square root in the denominator anymore. Okay, if you want to make it look nicer, but both these are acceptable. Okay, both these are fine. The main thing is don't forget positive and negative. Okay, alright, so now let's look more towards the general ways. Okay, this is very fast because you have something square equal to something and you can directly get the solution. Basically do a little bit algebra, calculation and manipulation for the equation, but unfortunately many quadratic equations will not be exactly in this kind of format. So what we have to do is by completing the square and make it into this kind of format. Okay, so we have completing T-I-N-G the square method. Alright, so now, before that, let's see how the mechanism is. Okay, for example, I have x plus m squared equals to, when we factor it out, we know it's x squared plus 2mx plus m squared. Okay, the same thing is x minus m squared is x squared plus minus, okay, let me erase that, minus, and that's the difference between x plus m and x minus m. Okay, just the middle term actually changes. The first and third term doesn't change. So we have that, and we know if we can have something, for example, like this, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. That's the standard form of the quadratic equation, and if we can change it into something like x plus a squared equals b, okay, that's more like the example we just did. Something square equals to something, and we can directly find the solution. Equals to positive and negative square root b, right? And the x solution would be positive negative square root b minus a. Okay. So, to complete the square of a quadratic of the form with, okay, there are some rules here. Okay, here are basically the method you can use is when you have x squared plus bx, okay, you need to add, okay, you need to add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x. That is basically we have, okay, in this x plus bx, okay, for this one, circle that, we will have b over 2 parentheses squared. Okay, so then we'll have this very nice thing come out. Use another color. Okay, so x squared plus bx equal plus, okay, plus what we just added, okay, square equals to x plus b over 2 square, right? Okay, so but in this case, be careful, the coefficient of x squared must be 1 for this rule to apply, okay, and I'll make a note with green, okay. Must be 1 for root to apply. Okay. Now let's quickly look at one example. Okay. To complete the square root of x squared minus 3x. Okay, so for this we know 1/2 of b over 1/2 of b, and then we have squared it, so basically it's x squared minus 3x. That means we have to plus, okay, it's negative 3 over 2 square. Okay, be careful about the negative side because our b is negative in this case. We have x minus 3 over 2 square. Okay, it's not that bad, okay? Let's do a quick another one. Okay. Complete the square root of x squared plus 6x. So in this case, our b is 6, right? So we have x squared plus 6x, we plus 6 over 2, okay, which is 3, and then we square root it, square it, we have x plus 3 square, okay, and you can write this term out as 9 over 4, or you can just leave it there, okay, as long as you know what it is, right? You can just, you know, write out the whole thing again if you want to. Alright, so we will do a complete, okay, finding the solution in the next video. Quadratic equation 3.